how to adjust live traffic recalculation on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's use the left side to open the navigation. From the navigation, select here the settings at the top of the screen. And right now, let's choose here the second option, which is routing preferences. From routing preferences, you can scroll down, and as you can see here, you can enable or disable to use traffic information. So these settings determines how live congestions updates affects an active destination route. Setting it always ask means that if a crash or traffic bottleneck occurred ahead, the system will trigger an interactive screen prompt asking your permission before rerouting your option on a faster path. So as I said, always ask is right here. So the car will ask. You can tap it off to don't use the traffic information, or you can use the auto. I think in my case, the best way is to choose the always ask feature. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.